Morning, guys. Today's date is Thursday, April 30th, and today's do now is what motivates you to work hard. So please do that do now by 2 p.m., and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to reiterate some announcements that I said on Tuesday. The first is you guys do not have school tomorrow, May 1st, or Monday, May 4th. So you guys don't have school. Those are non-learning days, so enjoy the nice long weekend. Additionally, we are going to be taking our Option C test next Friday, May 8th. Couple things about that test. One, all your missing work needs to be turned in before the day of the test. Number two, it is going to be an open notes test. And number three, it is going to be open on Friday, next Friday, from 7 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So with that, please start getting prepared for that. Don't be thrown off when I announce the test next week. We've kind of been preparing throughout this whole entire distance learning time for Option C. And yeah, those are just some quick announcements that I have for you. Maybe the final announcement is we are not doing the Essentials Biology exam. So if you did not hear that on Tuesday, we are no longer doing that test. And with those review sheets, you can recycle them, you could keep them for college. I don't know what you want to do with them, but we are not doing the Essentials Biology exam. So the last thing that we're ending with in Option C is just nutrient cycling, and specifically nitrogen and phosphorus cycles. So this is some stuff that we talked about in your 10th grade year in ecology. So nitrogen and phosphorus cycles, you guys drew out pictures. Two things to say here would just be in the nitrogen cycle, it gets a little complicated with what the bacteria are doing. So there's a bunch of bacteria that are involved in the soil that are doing a bunch of converting. So that's a little complicated. So maybe reach out and try to find a video that explains that well. I included a video on the weekly agenda. And then with the phosphorus cycle, a friendly reminder would be there is no phosphorus in the atmosphere. So that's one of the only nutrients where it's only in the soil and in the water. So as always, if you guys have any questions, message me on Schoology. But besides that, you should enjoy your nice long weekend, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.